Checking connection. Okay, we're live. View and the stairs. Today we're gonna see this gorgeous house, which you will see a beautiful view of the ocean and San Pedro. I think the marine also is so gorgeous. So today is actually a really good day to like see the view. Like you're gonna see what I'm saying. It's amazing. It's really gorgeous. So, Tony.
Santa Monica Bay.
Santa Monica Bay.
Yeah, and this is, it's called Haggerty's, which is this little cove right here.
Oh, I see. It's so nice. So beautiful. Isn't it beautiful from here? So nice. Yeah. Like tiny area there. It's really good. There. This can just be really open and nice.
300 and price
4789.
4789.
So it would have probably been more illustrious for you guys to come walking in and obviously see this at first rather than down
Yeah, no, we actually like that. But we have vision, we can kind of get an idea.
Yeah. So this is
Very
you know,
open.
the day to come here. It's so beautiful.
Two chairs here.
There is obviously the kitchen's amazing. There's also a small chef's kitchen to the side. Another stove, dishwasher. So it's kind of like if we entertain, it's a great place to have.
Big fridge.
Yeah, good job. 30.
Really nice appliances.
Especially
And this is like another like small kitchen.
Yeah,
Here.
perfect for
and
that.
not focus on that.
Yeah, it's not high, but it's
Like
definitely.
the mess you keep here. There is just too really nice.
They are, yeah, on both levels, they're lock and key now, which is really good. I mean, it's very reputable.
See the light? There. Really, really nice. So cute. Oh, and now I see like here's like I like the decor here. The
Kind of unique that you go up to the garage.
modern.
It's kind of cool.
The kitchen is not really used and like shown up there. It's only for decor. Mostly just the drawers. And that part. Okay. And
Very bright.
it's it's good. Like those windows are getting a lot of light. Okay, let's go from.
You need to move to the dining room.
Oh yeah, right. Sorry.
Sorry.
Let's see. Oh, it's reconnecting because maybe not enough internet connection here. Yeah. Okay, this is the dining area.
So are you guys local? Are you
This lighting looks really cute. And what's in here? Oh, this is like a window in the entrance. Really nice. I like the design of the chairs.
It's just.
Oh, the entrance in. I love the doors. There's two like coat closets. Right next to the living room, there's like a half bath.
But it's totally different. It's this virus.
Toilet. Lights on. Okay. Really nice, huh? I love this light. So
You are really nice.
oh, thank you.
Show me. What are you wearing?
I love my outfit actually today.
I love your outfit.
See the master. Just
Reconnecting?
Now it's again. You know, it's fine.
Okay.
The master starts from here. And yeah, that's really a nice view to the master as well. So just you can get in. And this is what it looks like from here. This is like the half closet. Oh, that was the only one, but it's only half of the closet here. You want to see the inside of the closet? And this is what I told you. This is like the balcony from the living room. So you have an access from the master here. Should I sit here?
Yeah.
Let's see if it's comfy. Well, actually, it's too comfy. Yeah, it's really nice. So here's me. Hello. And the view from here is stunning. Just open, so you can really tell the view is amazing. And oh my god, look at the pool. So breezy like that, huh? So look at the view. It's really, really beautiful.
You are beautiful.
They put like this.
Oh, I love it. To this view.
To like work out like on this section. I would put like a yoga mat here. It was really nice.
And jacuzzi for sure.
Oh yeah, I didn't tell them there's no jacuzzi in this house, so I would just put this jacuzzi here, like the half one. Just got the rest, like the water is here on here and on this wall, so you can edit. But this is the bathroom. This is the bath, and I wish it would be a jacuzzi, but in this view it's really nice. There's two sinks here. And this is a beautiful shower. And my closet is gorgeous.
Oh, wow.
Right? You have like more space to store it there. Jewelry, drawers, and that's it. And I think here is for shoes and stuff. Looks really nice. White clothes and really nice. Drawers are also white, and I love the bath. Oh, and the design.
I love the backsplash.
Right? The design
Yeah.
is beautiful. Yeah. The shower is like, and okay, so this is the master. See it? Let's just wait till they're finished to watch downstairs, and we can go downstairs because there are more. I mean, this is only in this part of the house, it's only the master. And then if we're going downstairs, the more bedrooms are downstairs. Alright, so this is the door probably. Everything is in this house is like more arch look. So yeah, let's go downstairs and it's more, you can see more of the bedrooms. So this is like, I don't know what you can actually put here, maybe a coffee station. And like another living area. It's so nice. I like it. I like it. It's really nice. Let's go see the pool. This is outside area. Pool. We don't have jacuzzi here, so it's probably added in the master or anywhere here. And I love this outdoor. I love that. And oh, this is what the balcony looks like from here. Love it. Look at it. So nice. This house is so gorgeous. Look at the view. Also, we have this on YouTube. Yeah. Okay. Careful that you won't go in the pool. So cute. I'm just ready now. See that? It's actually really easy. It's not that hard to push it. Really beautiful. If you
Nice.
open all the way, it's like you have this outdoor indoor kind of feeling, and I love it. Like in all modern houses, they have it, and it's so gorgeous. So this is the washer and dryer. They don't have it here, but this is the laundry room. And I can't get over this view. And it's a really nice day. It's not even cold. It's like perfect day, huh? With another bedroom, closet here, windows there, another closet, and bathroom. So it's really convenient, especially if you have a grown-up kids that they want their own bedroom, their own place. So this is like one bedroom suite here, laundry, and let's go see the other bedrooms, and then I'll show you what's in here. Another bedroom. They used it as an office, but it has a closet, it has its own shower and bathroom. As you see, they like closet and a bathroom, but they have an office here. So I think it's really nice.
Hello.
But you can use it as a regular bedroom. Two closets actually, another closet here and a door to go out to the backyard, to the pool. Do you see another closet? Two closets in this room. Yeah. Oh, you think it would be too tiny for a bedroom? Because
Yeah, it's cute. It's good office.
yeah, I mean it's also nice as an office. Yeah.
Wait a second. Let's check.
I actually love these chairs. Okay. Take a nice one.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is another bedroom. Not enough light in this one, I would say, but walk-in closet here, and this is the shower. Oh, the light turned on when I got in. That's really nice. Okay, and this is another bathroom that it has a shower, and you said it could be in any room. You actually could, because it's also like it has its own what's it called? Door to go outside.
Yeah, I would put
To
the
the
jacuzzi
backyard.
right there.
Right? I would say that too. Like right there. There's like place to put the jacuzzi outside. So it's really nice.
Ready for the mystery room?
Yeah, let's get to the mystery room.
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay. Let's just check out this couch. It's comfy. I think it's like a rock. Let's go upstairs here. This is the mystery room. You see, there's like actually
What would you choose?
nothing, and
Option number one.
like, this is the ceiling. I'm touching it, so it's very low. And this is what the picture they put here. What you could do here.
Number two.
Probably like I don't know what people would put here, but you can like playroom, kids playroom, or I would do like a really nice theater. Like I would put the couches here and like a nice screen. This would
Popcorn.
Yeah, this would like popcorn on the side. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Look at the small
Oh yeah.
nook here.
Yeah.
Also could be, I don't know, like
Only
an
studio,
office, I don't
perfect
know,
for
whatever.
studio.
Yeah, it's really nice. So it's like a mystery room here, so I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go downstairs. Where are we going now? We saw the master, we saw the other bedrooms, the laundry. Amazing, beautiful house. We are in LA, but it's like in San Pedro. Where is it? No, it's not San Pedro. It's like, I don't know what's it called? Some state. It's really, really nice. When you are in LA, but you can see the ocean. Amazing. Okay, let's go upstairs.
Oh, I love those stairs.
That's what I was saying. Thank you for joining us. See you on my next video. Bye. This is beautiful.